My name is Bill Williams, Hughes, Alaska. Years ago, we used to go fishing for all kinds of fish, like salmon, whitefish, sheefish, pike, small whitefish, or humpback whitefish. We used to start fishing in the creeks early in spring for whitefish, pike, sheefish, and later for dog salmon and king salmon. Dry most of this fish because of no freezer. We still do stay out fish camp right today to teach our grandkids how to stay out of town and do some work and make a living out there. During the time we were out there, we showed the kids how to make paddles and a few other stuff like poles, fish racks, nice strong ones. Make stuff out of all local material. We were out fish camp for 1 week. We all got back yesterday. We only got 2 kings and 1 sheefish this trip, but we cut 500 dog salmon for the dogs for the winter. I got lots of help from my grandkids, like Keith, Ethan, Daphne, and Mariah. They hang fish I cut on the pole, and later they cut few fish also. We got our over 20 dogs, so we got to have food for them this winter. We run these dogs during the winter months. These dogs keep everybody busy all winter. We are not through fishing for this year but we will be back camp again. Later this week we will be fishing off and on till freeze up. We do this for subsistence.